The London Innovation Centre represents a significant milestone in the journey of Infosys in the UK. This is not just a physical space, but its manifestation of what the future of AI-led innovation would look like.
When we were actually envisaging this hub, we wanted to go a step ahead of workplace and look at creating a social and a collaborative space for all our employees.
So stepping into the Living Labs is like stepping into the future. Everything we have here is all about sparking new ideas, pushing the boundaries, and exploring the art of the possible.
With Infosys Topaz, we're helping organizations scale their AI innovations, driving AI-first learning and transforming AI-led experiences.
We're redefining sports viewing. We're using cutting-edge tech to create immersive experiences. It's all about bringing the fans closer to the action like never before.
The space is available for each one of us to learn, grow, innovate, collaborate with each other, and realize our full potential.
We can have discussions here that lead to the most remarkable outcomes just because we can share and build on each other's ideas within this collaborative space.
It's very exciting to have this new space where we can hold events and workshops. It's going to be great for employee engagement because we can come together and form new friendships and share experiences with one another.
Sustainability is built into the design of everything we do, and it really makes the company feel different. It makes us really feel proud that we're doing something with purpose.
From the day one of designing the space, we focused on sustainability, inclusivity, and wellness. We've achieved the SCOR Gold rating for sustainability and are on track to receive the WELL Gold accreditation.
This innovation hub which we have is really useful because we can get our clients to come and meet with our teams to co-create new ideas, and we can really make magic happen.
Every part of this hub shows how innovation, creativity, and teamwork can create limitless possibilities. We believe that this space will not just shape our future, but the future of our clients and partners that we service through this center.